Yeah. What's going on, man? Didn't I just leave y'all? I think I did. Hey, fuel tank drop shawty, man. I told y'all I was gonna get the fuel tank out, man. Little dilemma. We're gonna end up having to wait to get the fuel tank out. You feel me? So we can do some other stuff, but man, it's a rough evening, man. You can't get everything done in one day. Y'all got to be kidding me, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Your boy Rich everything. When I say I'ma lock in, man, I'ma lock in, man. I'ma get work done for y'all. I told y'all I was gonna go extra hard on this thing, man. I'ma go extra hard on this thing. So, man, look at here, man. Fuel tank drop shawty, man. We got that thing up out of there. Got that thing up out of there, boy. You see it? Little ground wire right here. A little ground wire. So we definitely got to get another ground under that right there in order to get that sending unit to read. So, or should I just get a brand new one of those right there? Cause I don't know what's what. We gonna see. We gonna check it out and see. But yeah, man, I got the fuel tank out, man. I guess I could try and brush this tank off a little bit, man. See. We ain't had that much gas in there, so it is what it is on that right there. And even, you know, we already got the new tank ready to go. So what I'm gonna try to do, if I could, man, is I'm gonna try to run these little rings a little bit and then blow this dust off here. See if I can get this thing out of here. The reason I'm doing that, I want to find these little tangs. That's how you get it out. The little tangs. You gotta clean out all that dirt that's in between. All that right there. Man, I'll get this right here. Notice, you see what I'm doing. Don't call yourself getting out here with no grinding wheel and all this other stuff. Scraping on no gas tank. Something must be wrong with y'all if y'all trying to do that. We gonna check and see if everything worked once we get this thing out of here. But usually they ain't too much of a pain in the butt. You usually can like tap round on them. That's with a hammer, and then they usually come off. Sit y'all on the bumper of the car, man, and then I'm gonna try and tap this out. All right, so the whole ordeal is to get this thing tapped out. Tap up out of here. Let's take it around this way, so. Need that wire there. Original tab, original fuel pump in this thing. Run out of space on one tab, go to the next. Until you get it from under there. Get it from under there, you should be able to pull the sending unit right on out. So there you go right there. Probably get us another diaphragm to go on there. Another diaphragm to go on there. We're gonna clean this up. Get us some caps. They go on the top of that right there. Make sure this ground right here is straight. So we could definitely ground this ground back to the car. Know whether or not we got a full tank of gas or whatnot. And I know a lot of people gonna say, Rich, what you doing? You ain't going no place without this right here. So we're gonna get us some silicone spray. And we're gonna clean this right here up. This gasket here up. It don't seem to be too bad. Clean it up and see. A couple little cracks in it. We put some silicone spray on it. Sit it in some oil or something, let it soak. These two right here, we take these two ends right here off. I'm gonna get some caps, go on the ends of these right here. Cap those right there off because we won't be using these right here anymore. The way we'll be sending fuel out, I'll be showing y'all that on the new tank. So there you have it, man. That's your sending unit. That's how you know whether or not you got a full tank of gas right there. Diaphragm and everything. Go ahead and take that O-ring, put that O-ring back on that right there. This gas tank. Got a little bit more work to do. Cleaning this right here up. Don't know whether when Chevrolet made this, whether or not they made this for the necks of these things to come out or what, but this one has been on there for some years, as you can see. So we definitely gonna end up having to go deep down in this and figuring out a little something with that with the neck of this thing to see what's going on. But that's gonna be on a whole nother video right there. Even if we got to buy a new filler neck to go in there, it is what it is. So tank out. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back there. Put the rest of my stuff at. Wrap it up in some plastic. Somebody need a nice gas tank. They got a rusted out gas tank or whatever the case may be. Get at your boy. I'm looking at this gas tank right here, man. It's dirty on the outside, but it's clean on the inside. So get at your boy, man. Y'all need a gas tank or whatever the case may be, man. I'm gonna make sure I wrap this thing up real tight. Possibly you can put it inside the storage. So I got y'all covered right here if y'all need that. Just get at me. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna take y'all in the house. We're gonna see if these fittings fit on this other gas tank after I clean these tools up now. Yeah, part 2, tank removal out. Yo, you already know what it is, man. Your boy Rich everything. Gas tank in the house. I hope I got the right fit. We're gonna see. If not, we'll be back at Jordan's Performance tomorrow. So we're gonna see what's up. What y'all think? I need to click my heels through. Man, y'all fool. Man, y'all dealing with Rich everything. Y'all know what time it is, man. Gas tank. I already got these things right here, man. I'll let y'all know from the jump, man. I'm gonna get me some blue Loctite or something like that. Go ahead and tighten these things right here down, man. I got one for this right here is the return line. I got another one down there at the bottom for my feed line. You know what I'm saying? Y'all might not have the same tank that I got, but you know what I'm saying? Like I tell y'all, man, Jordan's Performance, cuz. Jordan's Performance. Y'all, check this right here out, though. Your boy Rich, everything I grind all day long. Y'all see me, I pulled the tank out the car, went and got parts from a customer. It is what it is, man. Look here, I'ma stay doing what it is I do. So look here. I think I got enough done for the day, but I'm gonna come back in here and I'm gonna bust down a whole nother video with this whole cluster build. As far as for the Camaro, you know what I'm saying, installing the clusters and modifying the cluster with the gauges and all that. I might not do the wire work today, but I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna get the gauges and all in there. So with that being said, man, y'all already know what it is, man. I got my boy J.T.Verify holding the camera right now. We about to go get some basketball in, man. It's early, fresh in the day. Look at that. That's how you know when you be working too hard. When your watch go dead on you. Man, cuz that's trying to tell me, man, don't pay no attention to the time, just keep going. All right, anyway, we're gonna throw this here on the charger. And y'all know what it is, man. Your boy Rich _everything.
With an A.
With an A. Like my boy said back there. And do something, like I tell y'all, man, do something with them things down there, man. Each one teach one, man. Look at here. If y'all don't want this education, I can go ahead and build this car, get it out the way, and me and my son can have a great time. I love y'all, you know what I'm saying? All of my YouTube family, subscribers, for my new subscribers, man, if y'all don't know how I get down, man, I used to be affiliated In and Out Customs. Yup, day one. So they label me as a cameraman, but I'm bigger than that. I'm Mr. Everything. And with that being said, man, I'm out.